Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Google Photos and signing in with your Google account. This gives the app access to your library. Next, grant photos and camera permissions so uploads and new captures work. Once done, open Settings inside Google Photos and enable Backup and Sync. This triggers automatic uploads. Make sure you choose whether to backup over cellular or Wi-Fi only. This controls data use. You're now actively uploading, and the app will show a progress indicator for initial backup. Now focus on detailed upload choices that affect space and quality. In Backup and Sync, pick high quality for compressed free storage or original to preserve full resolution using your drive quota. Then tap Backup Device Folders and enable only the folders you want: camera roll, screenshots, messaging app folders. Once configured, decide if videos and uploads should use cellular. Turn off cellular backup to save mobile data. These settings ensure uploads match your storage limits. Finish by confirming all recent photos show as backed up. The app displays a backup complete indicator and cloud icons on items. Organize your library by creating albums, adding descriptions, and using Search or Google Lens to find faces, objects, or locations. If something goes wrong and backup stalls, check your Google storage quota. Ensure Photos permissions and background app refresh are enabled, and toggle backup and sync off then on. If needed, sign out and sign in again to refresh authentication and resume uploads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.